Today I am going to unbox the festive special edition of LG G8 X mobile. We all know that the Flipkart and the LG has created a overhype for this mobile during the sale. This video is not about just unboxing or its specifications particularly. We have the next sale on 29th of this month. This time it's gonna cost you at a price of 25,000. So those who are still willing to buy this mobile, this video is for you. Is this mobile really worth 70,000? Are we getting 70,000 worth mobile for rupees 20 to 25,000? Why is Flipkart and LG are selling this product at great loss? Watch the video till the end to know the reasons behind it. Also the pros and cons of this mobile. Quickly let's go through the specification and unboxing of this mobile first. We got two boxes inside the package. Here LG bundles a dual screen accessory with this device which helps to connect a similar display to the phone, and it's a complimentary, not for sale. The other one is the mobile. Let's unbox it. Top of the box we got a soft cleaning microfiber cloth, and next to it the mobile device itself. Here we have another box. This might be the mobile case. Inside it we have some manuals along with the SIM ejector pin and safety guide. It's a transparent mobile case. The quality is also very good. We have the C-type charging cable. The charger is not included in this limited edition. This is the 3.5mm headphones with extra pair of earbuds, and the headset has the volume controllers. The build quality is also very nice. Okay, let's keep them everything aside. Let's try the transparent case once and see how it looks. Now let's unbox the complimentary dual screen box. The dual screen alone is very light, but when we connect the mobile, it's quite bulky. Let me turn on the device and do initial setup. It has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with a tiny water drop notch at the top, and the bezels are very thin. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core processor and comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It has a 4000 mAh battery and supports for fast charging. Runs on Android 9, offers a good performance, and the device is capable of handling multitasking. In-screen fingerprint and IP68 water and dust proof resistance. At back we have the dual camera setup with 12 megapixel primary camera and 13 megapixel wide angle camera along with the flashlight. The phone clicks decent photos in daylight, and low light photos are also very good. Video recording at 4K 60 fps is another strong point in this mobile. It has a dedicated Google Assistant button and the volume rockers. To the bottom we have the speaker grill, C-type charging connector and a primary microphone. LG still retains the 3.5mm head jack. That's a good thing. We have a secondary microphone here. At the top we got a SIM tray. I think it's a hybrid slot. We can have either two SIMs or one SIM and one SD card in it. Now LG has improved its software a little better than before. This mobile has got all traditional features like NFC, Hi-Fi digital to analog converter, and supports DTS X3D surround sound. With the dual screen closed, you will see a low resolution monochrome OLED panel that shows the date, time and battery level. The combination feels a little bulky, but you won't face any problem in placing it in your pocket. Opening up the case will wake up the main screen, and you can unlock the phone with optical in-display fingerprint sensor or unlock button. When the dual screen is activated, you will see two identical but separate phones. The second screen even has the same notch cutout despite the lack of camera, and comes with its own home layout. Few apps have ability to expand across both screens, and rest you will be able to run two regular phone apps side by side. For apps like Chrome, when expanded across both the screens, the gap between the screen is honestly too big to ignore. We can't compare this mobile with other premium dual screen mobiles like Samsung. Typing or chatting would be great in this mobile. While entering the text, instead of a regular sized Android keyboard on one screen, a large keyboard would come up across the other screen. LG's Gamepad app, which takes up the entire one of the screen with its game controller. It works like a standard external controller for any Android game with built-in support, and you can create your own custom mappings. But the utility is limited. The real advantage is that you are not covering up the action with your thumbs. But even then, it is often easier to play directly on a single screen, since most of the games are designed to play that way. The multitasking is the best in this mobile that I have ever had on a phone. There is nothing much that is excellent nor really wrong with this J8X mobile. Either Flipkart nor the LG is selling this mobile at great loss. This is not a 70,000 worth premium phone. This is completely a budget phone with few premium features in it. I highly recommend it for vlogging and live streaming. If you are going to buy this product in need of a secondary screen or just sale point of view thinking the fascinating figures of 70K and 19K, just don't fool yourself. We can't compare this mobile with other premium dual screen mobiles like Samsung Fold. The camera and the battery life are good and the software is little better than before. It is not competitive as a traditional smartphone. I cannot recommend it over a 20,000. Besides everything, it has got some pros. Biggest advantage of G8X is multitasking. You can pin a specific application on second screen for continuous tracking of your favorite scoreboards, stocks and checklist. Every time you fold out this phone, you can have a quick access to two applications simultaneously. Compare prices on two different stores. Best selfie experience with two screens that show same view. Customizable gamepad. Seamless browsing experience with two screens. Many ways you can configure the second screen. Two applications are split same application into two screens. 4K 60fps stabilized video from both front and rear camera. ASMR feature. 2.1-inch mono display. Dedicated Google Assistant button.